Good morning friends, today I am going to tell the summary of The Frog and Nightingale. In a bog, which was called Bengal Bog, there lived a frog who was crazy about his singing and incessantly sang from the evening to the morning light. All the creatures living in the Bengal Bog found his songs to be unpleasant and they tried to beat and insult him, but the frog was very insensitive and boastful. The frog kept singing with extreme passion because this was his way of expressing his heartfelt elation. One day the creatures of the bog were pleasantly surprised to hear a very melodious and soothing song sung by a nightingale. The frog was shocked and felt jealous. He wanted to be undisputed singer of the bog. The nightingale's song created a sensation and all the creatures praised it tremendously. The frog was very cunning and he was introduced himself as the owner of the tree on which the nightingale sang. He also boosted them. There was music critic who for wrote, bog, trumpet. The nightingale was impressed that musician like Mozart was taking interested in her. When the frog offered to train her for a modest fee, the nightingale felt that her dream come true. The exploitation of the nightingale began. The frog would organize musical concerts and mind money. He would make the nightingales practice even in adverse weather. He instructed her to sing passionately and with full force. Since that was what the public wanted initially, a number of creatures flocked to listen to her, but later the crowd deviated because the nightingale songs becomes routine, listless, and her voice was tired. The frog would scold and hammered her to no reasons. One day, out of sheer stress and fatigue, the nightingale wind burst and she died. The frog called the nightingale stupid, nervous, and without originating. His ego was satisfied, and he again became the unrevealed singer of the Bengal Bog. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe.